बाद में मुझे दे देना।
That is burning fire, burning fire, burning fire. Friends, when it comes to political, then we generally ask the question, that is, what is the problem of the world and how we solve it? Where is the problem? Bechari get confused because he do not know from where she should start and where to stop. Because problem is everywhere. Problem is in your home, problem is at my home. कॉलेज पे प्रॉब्लम है, सड़कों पे प्रॉब्लम है, इंडिया पे प्रॉब्लम है, पूरे वर्ल्ड पे प्रॉब्लम है. Problem is everywhere. Burning fire will show you. Friends, how girls feeling insecurity in India? How a whole father with when a father is ill, then he is forced to go to work because he has 2 daughters. Friends, not only that, throughout of his life, he never thinks to take rest for a single day because he has to pay down. He has to save his girl from sexual harassment and social harassment. Friends, fire is going to show you what is the real status of women, especially in India. I would like to ask my team. Ready? 1, 2, action.
Taga bajre, try kare
Babu, you are looking so upset. What's the reason?
Oh, what a barbaric deed it was.
What are you talking about?
Delhi incident.
Oh God. Really? It was inhuman, savage and shameful for the country. Oh God, damn them.
But Polu, I think girls are responsible for such kind of incidents.
How can you say that?
In spite of being girl, how she dares to go at night?
Oh, you think girls cannot go outside at night? Who told you? Any religion? The constitution? Or any great man?
No, I mean if she goes at night, then...
Are Mia, you think
Yes.
a young boy can go outside at night, anytime, anywhere?
Yes.
And then girls not go outside? Why? They have also right. They have also work at night. Remember one thing. It is not prohibited by God, but not law. Illogically, like you, some people think so.
Friends, getting a girl alone inside the bus, if rape her and kill her, then what is the distinction between a man and a savage? Where is the sense of humanity? Where is sense?
Where?
If she goes at night and wearing short dress, sexually, biologically, it's exactly a man, so then...
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Allahu Akbar. Dance. Nobody permits you to rape a girl and kill her if she is going at night wearing short dress. Allah will punish them for the mistake that they are making. Allah will punish you if you make that mistake. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
The Darwesh is correct. You know, in Delhi incident, 6 people raped her, beat her, and finally killed her. Oh God, help them. Give them proper respect for the girls. Then only this country can be heaven.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay, let's go, friends.
Okay.
In the name of justice, in India, women are getting injustice. Whatever she is doing, it is problematic for the society. अगर कोई औरत गलती कर रही है तो उसके सजा देने के लिए हमारे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, और अगर हम सोचते हैं तो हमारे ऊपर वाला है उसको सजा देने के लिए। आप और हम कोई नहीं उनको सजा देने के लिए, तो उनको सजा देने की बात छोड़ दीजिए। अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है, go to the administrator and inform that this is illegal. You should take the step for this incident. But you are not to punish them. Friends, now you will see how an old father thinking to ensure the happiness of his 2 daughters. How, when he is ill, he is thinking to go outside to work to earn money because he has 2 daughters. He has to give dowry. Friends, here you will find one of his daughter has been married, but at the time of marriage, उन्होंने ये कमिटमेंट किया था कि हम 5 लाख रुपया देंगे, लेकिन दे नहीं पाया क्योंकि बेचारा गरीब। इसके लिए इसका नतीजा क्या होता है उनकी हस्बैंड हाउस पे, जरा देख लीजिए। डायरेक्टर्स, एक्शन।
Mamta,
Yes,
Mamta,
Vikram.
my beautiful wife, my companion. How happy our life is. We have 2 daughters, Rosa and Nila. So that nice they are.
Of course.
I have no regret having not a male child. Rather, I feel proud of my 2 daughters. We educated them highly. Mamta, do you remember? How happily we got married our elder daughter?
Vikram, listen. Our elder daughter Rosa often speaks about being tortured. She has bare alone at her husband's house due to inability to fulfill the dowry that we committed to Rosa's father-in-law during her marriage.
Oh, dowry. But Mamta, what should I do? I'm working hard from day to night and day. But
Yes.
their demand is so high that I'm unable to pay. Their society, their rules, their custom doesn't permit me to take rest a single day. What should I do? So I have to go to work. Let me go. I have to work hard work. I have to pay the dowry. Otherwise they will torture my daughter. So I have to go.
But Vikram, first we'll do one thing. First we'll get Neela married off, and then after we'll pay the dowry that we committed to Rosa's father-in-law.
And Neela also has grown up. So again we should think about the marriage. So your idea is good. But now let me to go. I have to work.
Vikram, you're unwell, and you have the fracture in your hand. How can you?
Mamta, this fracture, this pain, the pain, this society are giving a father of 2 daughters and lesser than the pain of this fracture. So don't you think that I wish to stay at my home, to spend a few minutes with my children, with you, but they are so custom, they are society, they are So this dowry system doesn't permit a father of two daughters to take rest at home.
Today you are unwell, Vikram. Please today stay at home.
Don't worry about me. I have to work. I have to pay dowry. So don't force me, Mamta. I am going.
Okay,
I
I
am
understand.
going.
Take
I am
care.
going.
What happened, Neela? You're very happy.
Mom, I have topped my department and all my teachers are very happy with my result.
Congratulations, my girl. Congratulations.
Mom, where is my papa?
He's gone to work.
But mom, why should you permit to go? He's unwell.
What can I do now? He's under the pressure of dowry that we committed to Rosa's father-in-law during her marriage and get you a marriage robe.
Mom, we the girls are not symbol of theory and grief for our parents. I will not marry if my father has to go for work, even if he is ill.
Neela, don't say like that, ma. Society has changed. If you will not get married, then you will be the victim of sexual harassment and we will not able to take care of you forever.
Mom, do whatever you wish to do, but don't let my father to go for work when he is ill.
You saw how hardly his father is working to ensure the happiness of two daughters. He is sending one girl to college to make her highly educated. If her father had also hope in her chest that I will make my child educated. But this, what kinds of society is this? Nobody is thinking about that matter. एक बेटी का शादी दिया बाहर, एक घर पे है. जो घर पे है उनके लिए दिन रात भर बेचारा मेहनत करते हैं. उसके बाद भी उसके ऊपर प्रेशर रहता है कि हमको वो डाउरी पे करना है जो हम कमिटमेंट दे चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी. और दूसरा बेटी जो यंग हो चुकी है उनको भी शादी करवानी है. Friends, observe the first scene, how he is working. Now you will see how his elder daughter Rosa getting treatments to her husband's house. See what kinds of society is this. Rosa, action.
Mother, what can I cook today?
Sort of beggar, you don't know what to cook?
Mother, why you babies call me? I just asked you to show proper respect.
Hey, look, we are not beggars like your parents to eat dry rice. Go and cook biryani soon.
Bobby! I asked you to clean my dress. Have you done that?
Oh, brother-in-law, I forgot. You just asked me early in the morning, but I was busy with the other household work. I can't do it. I will do it later.
Daughter of a Nawab, you were busy. Oh, fool! Do you have blood from your father over somebody else?
Nana, please don't curse my parents.
Don't curse my parents. Why? Your father is a PM or CM.
Mother-in-law, I came to your home with the intention I will do everything that a daughter-in-law should do. I treat you as a mother. But sit you people all torturing me.
Torture? What torture? Hey, look, Kalmui, जब तक तेरा बाप दहेज के 5 लाख वापस नहीं दे देता, तुझे इस घर में कभी सुकून नहीं मिलेगा.
Rosa, is lunch prepared? I want to go to office again.
मैं क्या करूं? ये सारे मुझे टॉर्चर कर रहे हैं. अभी मैं कैसे लंच बनाऊं?
She, daughter of a dog, you never prepare food in the house and you are quarreling with my family.
हाँ, उसको लड़ाई झगड़े से फुर्सत मिलेगी तभी तो ये लंच बनाएगी ना.
मगर आप भी औरत हो, आपकी बेटी ससुराल में है. अगर उसके साथ ऐसे ट्रीट किया जाएगा तो आपको कैसे लगेगा?
Hey, shut your mouth and get lost.
Hey, Rosa. What happened?
Bhaiya, she's praying that I should get bad treatment at my husband's house.
I told you. I didn't say.
Oh, you fools! You don't know how much I love my sister. Huh? Go for my home. I never come back. If you want to come back my home, then your father promised you to be given 5 lakh dowry. If you want to come my home, then that's great. Otherwise, don't come.
I will go. I never come back to your home. I can't see what people to use this 5 lakh dowry. Therefore.
Oh, तेरा बात तो जब बोल रहा था शादी के लिए मैं तुझे लेके आया था. अब बोल रहा था कि गाड़ी दिलाता हूँ. गाड़ी नहीं दिला. अब तू है. तेरे भाई तेरी माँ ने एक बेटे को नहीं पैदा कर सकी.
बच्चा भी नहीं दी मुझे, तो मैं कैसे जिंदगी करूंगा? मेरी जिंदगी क्या होगी? सुनो, हाँ, इसके रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप हो, क्योंकि बच्चों को तुम पैदा कर रहे हो, मैं नहीं। हाँ, समझ में आया?
हाँ, जा निकल जा और इस घर में कभी खाना मत करना। दफा हो जाओ यहाँ से
बहुत बड़ा गेम खेल रही है। जब बोलता है कि मैं 5 लाख दे दूं, मेरी गलती थोड़ी है भाई। उन्हें दे दूं बोले, ये नहीं दी तो मैं गाल मारू रखो, मेरी जिंदगी क्या होगी? आप लोग सब सोचिए एक बार।
Enough of the what types of treatment women are getting. That's all hard and hard. आपने ये भी देखा कि एक ओल्ड मैन कैसे क्या सोचते हो अपने बेटी के लिए, जिस बेटी को छोटी से बड़ी बनाया उन्होंने, अपना हाथों से खाना खिलाया और उसके बाद क्या होते हैं अब देखिए आप उसका सोच क्या है। एक बेटी को तो टॉर्चर मिल रहा है हस्बैंड की हाउस पे, जैसे कि वो कुछ कमिटमेंट देने की बात फुलफिल कर नहीं पाई। अब दूसरा बेटी जो है कॉलेज की टॉप की, हाउ हिज फैमिली इज नाउ, व्हाट इज द फीलिंग्स ऑफ द फैमिली हु हैज 2 daughters. Action.
Ida, we want to get you married.
Mamta.
Yes, we can. Tell me.
Tomorrow a marriage proposal for you.
Okay.
So is it everything?
Yes, everything is ready.
So let the guests come in. Not one place. Mamta, I heard the boy will come for Nila marriage is highly educated. So I think this person is highly educated. I think they will not demand any kind of dowry.
But I'm worried about how much they will demand.
No, Mamta, don't think. They're educated. He is a student of university. So educated people doesn't take dowry. So I think for Nila marriage, I don't need to pay any.
Papa, if you give money to them, I will not marry.
Nila, don't say like that.
Okay, Mamta, we'll see, making some arrangement. Okay, take care.
तो पापा को आने को देखते हैं क्या होगा।
See, what is her mental feelings? She has topped the department, but she has no value in the society. Now, you will listen. What is her mental feelings?
Oh my creator, why you created us? To tolerate these tortures? My own father is working hard to ensure our happiness. He is not taking rest for a single day. What should I do, God? What should I do? No, Nina, no. I have to do something. Tomorrow morning, I will start my movement. Let the morning come.
Mamta, is it everything prepared?
Yes, everything is
The
ready.
guests are coming.
Okay.
So let them welcome.
Let you welcome.
Now,
Are you ready?
the guests are coming to see the second girl.
आइए भाई साहब, आइए।
यार इस सीन में थोड़ा पीछे चलिए, स्पेस चाहिए मुझे। पीछे 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 थोड़ा पीछे चलिए, स्पेस चाहिए थोड़ा।
मैं नहीं जा सकता, तो कुछ भी नहीं कर।
अरे यार सीन है, यही हमको ले जाना है थोड़ा दूर यार।
यहाँ से पूरा जगह खाली है ना, आप कहाँ से जाऊँगा?
स्पेस चाहिए।
I have only one son. If we bring you to our home, I will leave you here with us. Oh, good. That's great. Then, Mr. Vikram, I think.
Don't say again, Mr. Vikram. He is just expecting a little gift from you, as a father gives to his daughter always. Just a 10 lakh rupees cash as a house or light up, like a refrigerator, freeze and all.
That means indirectly you are wanting dowry?
Yes, no, it's not a dowry, it's a gift. Every father gives to his daughter.
But the name of the gift you are wanting dowry.
No, it's not dowry, please don't mistake in us.
You beggar, Patrick! This is my arms for you. Now you can go.
What? You were civilized? What is that? Arms? Don't you manage how to behave with elders?
Yes, I know. You are begging money from my father.
थोड़ा पीछे चलिए ना आप लोग, स्पेस चाहिए इसमें।
Savage girl, you don't have manners. How to talk with seniors?
Yeah, what are you doing? Don't tell them to go, otherwise
Otherwise what?
झाड़ू। करता है जी।
Did you read the newspaper today? See, a girl was beaten her would-be parent with a proof for claiming dowry.
Yes, she has been supported by the locality. You know, the DM has expressed his view to make the girl as his daughter-in-law. He also added other women should follow her view.
See, Babu, if women are arrogant and if administration supports them, then only this country can be a heaven, a free place for them.
Yes, only administration can do nothing. They need all type of support from the society.
Yes, I also think the same. If every parent, leader and administrator or all the girls become conscious, then only this problem can be solved. See, Babu, we can promote this progressive idea by touching somebody else's daughter. Then only they will come to know that their daughters also getting tortured.
People, if we should not touch our daughter-in-law, they will not be tortured by anyone else. Social harassment and sexual harassment. Yes.
Okay, I think Pulu is right. We should think over this matter. Okay, let's go.
Do not accuse of another. Think about the matter practically. हम जब बोलते हैं कि डाउरी कौन लेते हैं, क्या मम्मी उसमें इन्वॉल्व नहीं रहते? पापा भी रहते हैं, मम्मी भी रहती है। हर किसी को जहन से ये हटाना है कि हम डाउरी नहीं लेंगे। हम एक हाथ से बेटा की जब शादी देता हूँ तब डाउरी लेता हूँ, बेटी की शादी देते समय हम दे देता हूँ। मेरा पास क्या बचेगा? नहीं रहा। जब हम डाउरी देता हूँ तब मुझे तकलीफ मिलता है, जब हम लेता हूँ कोई किसी से तब उन बेचारा को भी तकलीफ मिलता है। Just think about the matter. You are not going to be benefited by that. Just you are gay. Now you will see what is the condition of Bisu's house. That is the father of 2 daughters. How? What is the feelings of that old man? Absent. Rosa, my daughter. What happened to her?
కొంచెం పోయింది, మనం వెళ్ళాలి, మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళాలి.
मैं पहले जाऊँ। Okay,
my daughter? Okay, good. I'm doing something. Don't cry. Don't cry.
You're bad people. They tortured me.
This dowry. They are torturing on my daughter.
Why I'm born girl? Why Mama I'm born girl? Why discrimination girl? Why? Papa,
someone is knocking our door. Who made it?
Mother-in-law, you
tortured my daughter?
I'm very sorry.
Very sorry?
Very sorry. For torturing your daughter.
No, I can't forgive you. You tortured my daughter.
I can't forgive you. No. You are tortured me. No, I will never forgive you.
Please, Rosa. मेरी अधूरी होगी रोसा। रोसा मैं वादा कर रहा हूँ कि रोसा प्लीज सुनो यार, एक बात मेरी सुनो यार। आपने मेरी जिंदगी बहुत खुशी से दी है यार। ससुर जी माफ करो ससुर जी।
It's okay, but don't do it in future.
I don't do rosary.
Let all the girls join together.
We can't tolerate anymore.
Enough.